Okay, we're back with another video. I just wanted to say how cool it is to have you guys reaching out about your businesses and where you're at and what you're doing, and you're starting soon and maybe not starting soon, but you're getting ready, and it's just super awesome. It's Friday. Kids are graduating from school today. My 6th grader, which is crazy. I'm about to have a middle schooler. I remember being in middle school. Anyway, my middle schooler graduated, and yeah, it's kind of wild, but it's been awesome to have this business that can sustain the family, and I can still attend things guilt-free. I don't have bosses to report to. I don't have one-on-ones to do. I don't have reports I gotta submit. I don't have other people that I absolutely have to rely on like you often do with working in big corporate companies. And yeah, you can afford health insurance and time off and things by working for yourself. And so if you can do it and you have a propensity to do it, make it happen. Do it and start small, you know? I talked with a viewer yesterday, about his business, and he's a rock star. Shout out Dave. And he sold a business that he had previously and worked in finance, and he's going to give it a go working in washer dryer rentals, and he's actually also been a washer dryer rental technician before, so this is like a perfect fit for him because he'll be able to parlay all his skills with finance and appliance and just grinding hard work and using trailers and all that stuff, and be able to kick butt in his business, which was kind of fun to hear about. Like, jealous of his appliance repair skills. I'm just a pleb where I just came from my guy Chris at Airco. Shout out Chris. If you guys are here in Salt Lake, you need to go check out Airco and Chris. He does amazing quality of work for repairs. And I thought, man, I should do a video just introducing people to him and showing his shop and that kind of stuff, because he's a good dude, super helpful to me, super friendly. His mom, her name's Jackie, she's from England. She's awesome, super nice, and just like helpful. And they're, yeah, it's hard to do some aspects of your business without certain key partnerships and referrals, you know. But yeah, I just wanted to shout out people. Like, keep going, keep doing it, ask all the questions. I'm trying to get to everybody. Some of the questions that you've been asking, I've been noting and have a list of things to record for YouTube videos, but also things that I can do better and I'm gonna start doing, because we're a few months out from the business being self-sustaining, covering its own bills, but after that, the goal will be to grow it to where employees can manage the day-to-day of admin, where, you know, they're creating the ads and responding to inquiries and following up on collections and late payments, but of course the deliveries. And so your questions that you've been sending in have been amazing, because then I'm going to create a dashboard, and I'll share that with you guys in a future video of you know, new customers, revenue increase, how many in collections, how many have dropped off, cost of acquisition, and I have a list of things that I can't remember off the top of my head, but thank you for submitting your questions, watching the videos, liking, subscribing. It all helps motivate me to keep sharing with you. And I have these new earbuds, headphones. My wife says they're pretty good. Like, when I talk to her on the phone, she says, "Are you there?" Because if I'm not talking, even though I'm driving, it's so quiet that thinks that I dropped the call. So there's been feedback from viewers that the audio is terrible in the car, which I apologize, but it's just kind of ease for me as I'm driving around to do a quick video, but maybe I should do one with the earbuds and you guys can hear better. So I'll try and do that and see if it's like way better audio, and then maybe I'd be a little less reticent to do a video that way. So I'll try that soon. But yeah, I'm about to show up for another install swap, I guess it would be. Guy's renting a dryer from us. It's turning on and spinning, but it's not heating up at all, which happens. And I'm starting to embrace the aspect of maintenance. I'd love if there were 0 maintenance calls and I only bought brand new machines and they always worked all the time. But when you're just starting out and making your first little bit of money, like, start with used machines. That was one of the comments I responded to today. Start with used machines. You can get them off of Facebook Marketplace. You can buy them off of your local classified site. Go to Craigslist and garage sales and whatever. My very first customer rented for 4 or 5 months. We bought that washer off of classifieds, had 0 issues. My second customer, again, classifieds, I had donated one set or a dryer from a neighbor, and was it the washer or the dryer? Anyways, one of them, I installed it on like day 2 of the business, like September 18th or 19th of 2025. On day 2 or 3, it already had issues. And that's just how it's been and will always be. And so if you don't like doing maintenance and swaps and repairs, this ain't for you. So just keep your chin up, and I'm mainly talking to myself, that you're always going to have maintenance issues, and it's just part of it. But that's what people are paying for the service, and this is why you have customers, because people intuitively know, yeah, I could buy my own and it is cheaper, but man, when 2 washers or 2 or 3 dryers in a row just have issues, this sucks. I gotta go get a dolly and I'm on the 4th floor. Like, this is ridiculous. This is so annoying. And so then they come across stuff like what we do, and it's like, oh, what a breath of fresh air. I just call a number or send a text and they come fix it. Often, same day. And so it's like, yeah, just be patient. If you're doing this, that's just part of the game. And if you can wait it out, then the rewards are quite high. So that's my video for today. Like and subscribe, comment below any questions you have. Appreciate the support. It does motivate me to keep going, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.